Now let's look at Index.js file, which brings all of this together. So it connects the three layers which are part of the application to the backend services layer. Our Index.js file defines three main functions. First is to create razor pay order. This is called by the application to securely start a payment by creating an official order with razor pay. This code has been shown in the screen, while the next two codes, which are not here on the screen, are one to verify razor pay payment. This is our most critical security function. It is called after the user pays. It double checks with Razorpay server to confirm the payment is real and successful before updating the user subscription in our database. And the third, request account deletion. This function is called from the settings screen of our UI, and it securely adds a user to a deletion queue in our Firestore database, which then a batch function is run on a daily basis to remove it. Now let's look at how we secure all of this. The most critical part of application security is to handle API keys in a secure manner. Every single one of our cloud functions begin with this critical check, which you could have checked in the previous screen. If, and within parentheses, you have request.auth, AUTH. When our app calls a function, the Firebase SDK automatically attaches the user's login token. This check on the server verifies that the token is valid and the call is coming from a legitimate signed in user. If not, the function immediately stops. This is the first line of defense that prevents unauthorized access. A critical rule is to never store secret API keys in our mobile app. We solve this using Google's Secret Manager. We store our sensitive Razor Pays keys in this secure vault, and only our cloud functions have permission to access them. This ensures our app is secure and our keys are never exposed. Therefore, the Razor Pay key secret is not stored in the index.js file, and this is very common practice not to store anything in index.js file. This is a critical security measure. We use a much more secure method. One is to store in vault. We store the secret key in secure encrypted vault called Google's Secret Manager. Second is grant permission. We give our cloud function special permission to access this vault. And third is load at runtime. When the function runs, it securely reads the key from the vault into the environment variable, which is process.env razorpay key secret. The key only exists in memory for a brief moment till the time the function is running. This process ensures that our secret key is never written down in our code, never saved in our Git repository, and is never exposed to public, which is the professional standard for handling sensitive API key. And you should practice this in all your application development.